Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Amazon Music family plan. So actually guys, first you will need to subscribe to the family plan, so you need to upgrade first. So on your web browser you will need, or on the app, if you're using the app on your computer or your laptop, it's the same as the web browser, Amazon Music. So all you need to do is to go to the accounts right here and then go with your Amazon Music settings, and after that just go with try it now with Amazon Music free, and after that just get the free trial. Okay, so after the free trial you'll be able to subscribe to the family plan. Okay, so just choose it afterward and subscribe. So the person who subscribes becomes the main account owner. Okay, also I really want you to provide Amazon Music with your bank card or card informations. So just go with your name on card, the card number here, and CVC or CVV, the three numbers that you can see on the back of your card, and enter the expiration dates that you can find on your card. Then go with add your card. Okay, and then you will have an option right here inside my profile. You will find an option like add a family member, okay, or invite a family member. So just enter their email address on the blank that will be visible to you, and then just tap send invitation. Okay, so each person must open the invitation like email or link and sign in with their own Amazon account, and then just accept the event. So they must accept within a few days, usually 7 days. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.